I'm an avid cyclist. I've been riding bicycles for around 20 years. I had started having problems, especially getting on and off the bicycle. I also have dogs that I love to walk. I had totally given up walking the dogs. Since the surgery, it was almost immediate. It worked really well.
We like the anterior approach because when you don't cut major muscles or detach them off a bone, the recovery is shorter.
In the recovery room, Dr. Uyoe said I could ride a bicycle home if I wanted to, but I had not come prepared, so I could not. And now I'm right back to riding as good or better than I ever had. I'm walking the dogs again.
If you're fortunate enough to be in a field where you can actually help somebody else, then it's a blessing. You know, it's a privilege.
It's just made a huge difference, and I really do appreciate it. I really do.
It's my honor.